macOS Tahoe 26.2 Beta 1 was released on November 6, 2025, just 3 days after the stable 26.1 update, and it brings a focused set of refinements across core apps and Apple Intelligence, with no major UI changes like the liquid glass tweaks from 26.1. The build number is 25C5031I, and it's currently available only to developers through system settings under General and Software Update after enabling beta access with a free Apple developer account. A public beta is expected in mid-November. The update emphasizes app improvements and AI groundwork, including audible due date alarms in the Reminders app that you can toggle on for time-sensitive tasks and that work seamlessly with smart lists and shared reminders, a refreshed Podcasts app with smarter episode discovery, enhanced playback controls, chapter markers for easier navigation, and Apple Intelligence-powered show note summaries, a redesigned news app featuring quicker article previews, a more personalized For You feed with AI-driven topic summaries, and a new compact sidebar mode for smaller screens, and new spreadsheet tools inside Freeform that let you create inline tables with formulas, pivot tables, and real-time collaboration via iCloud, plus import from Numbers or Excel. On the AI side, the MCP or Model Context Protocol framework expands on 26.1's foundation to enable deeper third-party model integration, like Anthropic's Claude in apps such as Notes and Mail. Image Playground now supports additional models beyond ChatGPT, including Stable Diffusion partnerships for more accurate custom style generation, and Siri and Apple Intelligence gain further language support, such as Portuguese variants and traditional Chinese expansions. Accessibility gets a new screen flash alert option with customizable intensity and color for notifications, while the Clock app receives minor updates like world clock widgets with live activities and cross-device bedtime alarm syncing. Under the hood, 26.2 Beta 1 includes smoother Stage Manager and Mission Control animations, fixes for M3 Ultra Mac Studio upgrade issues, improved iPhone mirroring reliability, and a batch of security patches that will be detailed in Apple's full release notes expected within a day or two. If you're a developer testing apps or eager for the reminders, alarms, and AI enhancements, install it now on an M1 or newer Mac. Intel support ended with Tahoe, but back up with Time Machine first because early betas can still cause battery drain or crashes. Otherwise, wait for the public beta or the stable release targeted for mid-December.